In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Google Sheets in a Google Sites website. To begin, open the Google Sheet that you want to display on your site. Make sure it is the correct spreadsheet and that the information looks the way you want visitors to see it. It is also a good idea to confirm the sheet is updated, since what you publish is meant to be viewed online. Once your spreadsheet is open, go to the top left area of Google Sheets and click File. In the File menu, select Publish to the Web. This is the feature that creates a shareable, web-friendly version of your spreadsheet content, which makes it much easier to place onto a website. In the Publish to the Web window, click the option labeled Link. This is important because you are generating a direct URL that can be used for embedding or sharing the published view. After selecting Link, click into the area where the publishing details are shown and highlight the publishing settings. Then confirm the sheet is set to Published. If it is not published yet, publishing it will make it accessible through the link you generate. Next, you will highlight the published link text and type to ensure you have the correct link selected and ready to use. Take your time here because using the published link is the key to getting a working embed on Google Sites. Now switch over to your Google Sites page in edit mode. Click the area on the page where you want your spreadsheet to appear, and then click into the link field or embed field that is available in that section. Type in the published link from Google Sheets. Make sure you paste or enter the full link without extra spaces, since even a small formatting issue can prevent the content from loading correctly. After you have entered the link, click the on-screen option that confirms or applies the link selection. Then go to the right side panel and click Insert. This is where Google Sites adds the embedded content to your page layout. Give it a moment to load, and you should see your spreadsheet appear directly on the page. Once it is inserted, you can adjust the placement on the page by selecting the embedded element and positioning it where it fits best in your design. And that covers everything you need to know.